Mama! Hindi ka mga inasal.
Sarap ang fish ah. Ano pa siya? Juicy. Okay na yan.
Yala.
Yan, yala. That's it.
Kain tayo.
Aywa, kain tayo mga guys.
Yala, open this fish. How we eat it?
Okay. Let me wash my hands.
You wash your hand?
May tayo na mga fish mo ba?
Eh, check yan eh. If you will put to your mouth, if you will swallow, order na lang sa'yo. Ang dami ko lang nilagay na dito ah. Asin ah.
Mama, soya sauce.
Here, with ba yan?
Alright mga guys, so kumakain kami ng budol fights.
Bismillah. Ito ginamas ko ka din.
With
When ba dapat no?
grilled chicken and grilled fish.
Gusto nyo ng demon na may toyo? Okay?
Alright, kain na tayo mga guys.
Of course, the fish have bone niya pangit. But
Pero fish, masarap na ito. Where's the sausawan?
here, the soy sauce there and here the ginamos.
Ay nako, hindi rin pala kayo gumamit ng ano. Dito ka na, Carms oh.
Gusto daw niya ng ano?
Gusto nyo talagang mag-sigarin.
Nagtutaliko.
Sarap.
Ano ba yan?
Is that cooked by yung fish?
Ano lang?
Dito yung part mo?
Hindi ka na magpaplato. Yan, doon ka nakakain.
Parang hindi ko ko rin natin. Hindi, luto naman siya.
Ganyan.
Good.
Sausa lang.
Kaya di hayo.
Fresh is good, no problem.
The fish is good, baka makapit.
Yeah.
It's fish, not fish mo yan. So, mo na lang natin.
Sarap.
Eh, kami ako dito ko na.
Dapat. Dapat may nilaga tayong okra.
Yan.
Mama, you remember when there's the birthday for me, the birthday for you, when you come at the Eileen,
Ayan.
and then
Alright, let's eat.
when we want to eat the barbecue and I don't know what, she get the salsa, you remember? Alright, pag sinanay ka ba naman, show you show kabab, at the Eileen, aklat zator.
Yeah, chicken.
Chicken and fish.
Oh. Sarap din ng sinangag oh.
Eh, halo ko na.
Para magkaroon ng lasa, di ba? Okay? You're eating in the banana leaves. First time I think you're eating banana leaves. Baka yung kabila nitong luto. Ayaw mo
Balik ka
siya
rin niya sa kabila.
ayaw mo siya medyo ano no? Medyo ilaw.
Parang,
Oh,
you can take that. This one not.
Yeah.
Let me.
No, just here on this side. It's okay.
Inside is good.
So what I will make, no?
Yeah.
I will change.
Chinese fish.
Yeah.
No problem. Good.
Mabilag.
Happy blood. This one is fresh. Almost. Sarap.
Oh, please.
Maybe also,
No taste. Maalat na nga.
No taste? Because
I
you
put
need to
too
put
much.
some sauce.
I put too much, dapat talaga, hinati. Pero nung minarinate
Kasi malaki siya eh. Pero sarap siya.
Sa susunod na lang. Diba balik ba yan? Alin? Niluluto yun.
Here, your chicken here. Yes. So this is we called Bodol fight.
what is this?
Why does you hide that?
Just like that, chicken. All different chicken.
Yeah.
Maliit na pieces talaga.
Mama, the eyeball.
Will upside down.
Oo.
Hindi ko sarap ba dyan lang.
Wala, kamayin mo na, hawakan mo na.
Yun na nga, kamay ko na lang. Alright?
Kamayin mo na lang.
So, baliktarin na natin mga guys ang isda. Yun! Wow! This is the good one, kabayan.
Let me see.
Yala. eat the top one. Take the top because it's cooked.
Ah, this one.
It's very nice.
Put there in the lemon and the soya sauce, the fish. Ay, nako, hindi mo alam?
Still no taste.
Eh, wala. There is something to your mouth lang.
Happy fish. That's a bit too much, I don't know.
Kahit yung niluluto ko na kahit ang alat-alat na para sa akin, wala doon lasa.
Alright.
Pero nikutin yung bunganga niya.
So kakain muna kami ulit mga guys.
But talking too much.
Stop ko muna itong
How
live.
come notice, but we can taste. How come? We're always like that.
Why this fish tasty and this the chicken tasty, but
The fish is good one because you need to put some sauce. You dip in the sauce, it will become tasty. If you have sauce.
Alam mo yung sauce siya, lemon siya kato yung sauce. It must be lemon and oil.
Aba? Naubos na sa kabilang side yung rice doon, oh. Ha? Ito pa. Meron pa dito.
Dalawa kasi kami ni Carmela dito.
Save, di ba natin namin yusin ng rice dito sa kabila. Meron pa dito. Di ba masarap kumain pag ganito?
Si Carmela, ginawa na ng sabaw yung sausapa. Kaya gusto ko plato eh. Kakalat mo eh.
So yan lang kami mga guys. Ganito lang ang aming...
Securities kami, you have to join us.
Oh.
Mama, gusto ka mga inasal.
Sarap ang fish ah. Ano pa siya? Juicy.
Mas masarap yan habang niluluto.
Bagong luto.
Ginaganunan ng oil.
Yes.
Maybe a chicken snail.
Ha? No, the chicken. Maybe some people thief.
hey, they will be under the grass, yani.
This one.
He's looking good.
Ah.
He's looking under the grass.
أو يمكن أن بيدور على الأشباح. عمالي قفغار. إيش هذا؟ يا صوص؟
Huh?
So, iba na ang pagkain mo ngayon, Carmela.
لا.
Start na natin yung ating live kasi tama naman na.
حطها على الفيديو. سوي بس